Welcome back once again. In this video we are moving ahead with electrolytic decomposition which is given in your textbook as activity 1.7. ठीक है, activity 1.7 decomposition देखा था. Decomposition when it is carried out by heating the reactant, then it is called as thermal decomposition, and when the decomposition is carried out with the help of electricity, electric current, then it is called as electrolytic decomposition. Now here lytic means breakdown. Okay, lytic means breakdown. Electro means electricity. When the breakdown or decomposition that is carried by with the help of electricity, it is called as electrolytic decomposition. Now students, read activity 1.7, all the instructions, all the experimental setup, how you have to perform this experiment, ठीक है, by your own, and follow each and every instruction, experimental setup, drawing, the diagram which is given in your textbook. It's very important, and I'm explaining you the reaction. ठीक है, electrolytic decomposition of water. Here it is, H2O, it's liquid state, electric current. Now, what is the actual theme of this experiment is that the bubbles which forms by this reaction, they displace the water which is present in the test tube. This is very simple. So the gases evolved are hydrogen and oxygen gas. Hydrogen evolved at cathode, okay, and oxygen it get evolved at anode. Now what is question asked? How the question is asked? Which gas is twice the volume of the gas evolved at anode? तो आपको यहाँ पे दोनों गैस का नाम बताना है. 2 पार्ट्स में कौन इवॉल्व होगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस विच इज इवॉल्व एट कैथोड. ठीक है, जितनी ऑक्सीजन गैस इवॉल्व होगी, 2 पार्ट्स का मतलब क्या है? जितनी ऑक्सीजन गैस इवॉल्व होगी उससे डबल अमाउंट में कौन इवॉल्व होगा? हाइड्रोजन गैस. ठीक है, जस्ट एक बार इसका रिएक्शन लिख लीजिए. So let's move ahead with activity 1.8. It is photochemical decomposition. Photochemical decomposition. Now, if any chemical, ठीक है, it break down or it decompose with the help of photons. Photo word मतलब क्या होता है? Photosynthesis वाला photo. Photo means sunlight. Okay. किसी भी chemical का breakdown if it takes place with the help of sunlight, such kind of reactions they are called as photochemical decomposition reaction. What is given in activity 1.8? Silver chloride powder. It is actually white in color. ठीक है, when it is exposed to sunlight, it turns out to gray. ठीक है, what is that grayish sub compound form? It is actually silver. ठीक है, it is grayish white in color along with the gas which is evolved. That gas is yellowish green in color and that gas is chlorine gas. This is very important reaction. Take a screenshot. See, the very important application of silver salts, it's used in black and white photography. This is a very important keyword. इसके basis पे questions आपसे डायरेक्ट पूछे जाते हैं ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटोग्राफी पे. देखिए, सिल्वर सॉल्ट वेन एवर फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन इज प्रेजेंट, डेफिनेटली दे आर कॉल्ड एज हैलोजन, दे फॉर्म दी सॉल्ट्स. ओके, अब यहाँ पे देखो सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड. इन द प्रीवियस रिएक्शन व्हाट इज दिस? सिल्वर क्लोराइड था. यहाँ पे क्या है? सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड है. ठीक है, इसका कलर क्या होता है? पेल येलो इन कलर. व्हेन इट इज एक्सपोज टू सनलाइट, SL मींस सनलाइट, ग्रेइश व्हाइट टर्न हो जाएगा, कलर गेट चेंज इनटू ग्रेइश व्हाइट सिल्वर. And which gas is evolved out? This time bromine gas, which its color is brown. अगर सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड है तो कौन सी गैस होगी? ब्रोमीन गैस. सिल्वर क्लोराइड रहने से विच गैस? क्लोरीन गैस. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे जो कलर है इससे भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है. ब्राउन कलर गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड. ठीक है, it is bromine. Yellowish green gas, it is chlorine. So write this reaction. It is photochemical decomposition reaction. Now in this same section I want to introduce one term, endothermic reactions. So endothermic reactions. endo, right? Break the word endothermic reactions. Very very important. So all those chemical reactions, यहाँ पे देखो thermic means heat energy, endo means taken, ठीक है? All those reactions, chemical reactions which takes place with the absorption of heat energy, such kind of reactions they are called as endothermic reactions, ठीक है? वैसे reactions और वो सारे chemical reaction जिसमें कि you need to supply the heat energy so that the reaction will take place, occur, okay, or you can say proceed. Now another one is the exothermic. So what do you mean by the word exo means exit, है ना, means evolved out. All the chemical reactions in which the heat energy, a large enormous amount of heat energy is evolved out, those reactions are called as exothermic reactions. I hope students the subtopic decomposition reaction is clear to you. In case of any doubt, post your queries. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.